mwezi wa Aprili katika kaunti ya Uasin Gishu. Waandalizi wa mashindano haya wamesema kwamba mbio hizo tayari zimevutia wanariadha kutoka nchi mbalimbali barani Afrika. Tusikize.
Now we have the assurance of the prize money. We will not postpone the race because of the prize money. And that is why Madam Sholei has said that the race must go on. So already we have the prize money in our AK account, and we should run the race. That is why AK is here. We sat down and we iron out all the things that the difficulties that we had. Now the race is recognized by AK and World Athletics, the way we said, and the prize money is there.
From today, we are back on our feet, and we have learned from the challenges in the past. And going forward, I can assure you that this will probably be one of the biggest races in the world. Reason being, there are many runners overseas who run in Boston but would like to run in the City of Champions. And that is why I am committed, even as a leader of Uasin Gishu, that this race must go on. Those people who go to Boston will be coming here to Uasin Gishu. Those who go to London, they'll go to Uasin Gishu because they will take pride. And many of them have told us that we would like to run with the champions. Here at City Marathon, and I'm very proud of the founders to have thought of this idea. And we must thank Moses Tanui to have thought of this idea to allow a marathon, to create a marathon here, closer to where the majority of the young athletes who are training are.
City Marathon Uasin Gishu County imekuwa halali na tunaelekea sasa kufanya kazi tukiwa pamoja. So sina shaka, ningependa tu kusema ya kwamba vijana wetu ambao wamekuwa wakitumia dawa za kusuma misuli, ningependa kutangaza ya kwamba sisi wote tukiwa wazazi, tukiwa coaches, managers na wote ambao wanapenda athletics, tupikane kabisa ya kwamba tuone ya kwamba vijana wetu wameachana na mambo ya kusuma misuli na ile dawa za kusuma misuli. So sina shaka, yangu ni kuwashukuru na ningependa kusema ya kwamba karibuni na tuendelee.
Nikumbusha kwamba mashindano hayo ya Eldoret City Marathon yatakuwa mbashara papa hapa tu KTN. Kwingine kuna kwamba mashindano ya taifa ya golf ya chipukizi ya Kenya Junior